Hi there guys and gals. Good afternoon. We're gonna go in other mall here in Legazpi because we decided to choose the better cake. Huh? As you can see guys and girls, people are busy everywhere. We're gonna buy cakes and other stuffs and other food to eat for this medianoche. Hold on. We're in a hurry. Ay, naka-ano? Pwede ba? Pwede?
Pwede na po, nag-ano mo ba?
Pwede ba?
Opo. Lumano po tayo na nakalagin yung ano.
You're missing on the frame. Hold on. Let's transfer again. So guys and girls, as I was saying, we're gonna buy cakes and we're getting near in. How about here in Pacific Mall?
I think there's a red ribbon po here, but I'm not sure.
So let's check. Because the other cakes that we first chosen was not that kind of delicious according to my niece. So this is my niece Dora. Remember her? So say hi, make some greetings.
Happy New Year sa inyong lahat.
And to all your some of your classmates or friends or anyone.
Happy New Year to the whole Block H of Francholing College. And I'm looking forward to our Rep Dem season next year.
Ate Ami! Ate Ami! Hold on guys, my townmate. Hi! Happy New Year! How are you?
Hello, okay lang. Say
Masay
masap.
ka?
Uli na.
Anong pinakal mo?
Ma, bakit sa spaghetti?
Ayo, galit ako ng handa.
Siyempre.
Guys, Ate Ami, my neighbor in
Hello.
San Roque.
How are you? Happy New Year!
She's very good in bingo. And I,
Bye-bye.
well, may Happy New Year ha.
Nag-Happy New Year na ako. Happy New Year!
Kamusta na lang ha? Bye-bye.
Bye.
So we're gonna get inside. For how many minutes do we have? How many minutes? 3. So bye for now guys and gals. Happy New Year once again.